Let's make one of my favorite mask, the Upton mask, which is a fixer of my every skin issue. For that we have to take whole wheat flour, yogurt, lime juice, turmeric and rose water. We'll add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour in it. Put some pinch of turmeric, I actually put a lot. Then few drops of lemon. Add some yogurt in it. It looks yum, yeah? Then we're gonna put some rose water to make our skin feel good. Blend them all. Make it a thick paste. Blending. And here we go. This is Upton mask. So I'm all set to apply this mask. Applying in a thick consistency because it's gonna help me remove my facial hair as well, and that's the best thing.